guys, today we are back with another video. Today we are doing the cotton ball challenge.
Hola chicos, hoy vamos a hacer el reto de bolitas de algodón.
Nos retó el canal de...
Las aventuras de Isaías.
Yes.
The challenge is, so for example, with these two cotton balls, you gotta scoop as many as you can into this bowl, and you only have 30 seconds.
Okay.
Or you can just scoop up the bag.
The whole bag, eh?
Okay, let's go.
I ripped a piece of plastic. It's so fluffy.
Yo les digo, ready, set, go.
Wait. I can't see.
That's the point. Quick, quick. As many as you can. No, one hand, Daniela. One hand. One hand. Done.
You go first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
21, 22, 23, 24,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Okay.
My turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33.
Yes. Vamos para el segundo round.
Okay, now we have to
Ready?
Okay, ready, Una?
Junior, ¿me ayudan?
Wait, can we first kind of practice, but without the blindfold?
Pero Daniela, eso es
No.
cheating.
Dale, tápate los ojos.
Okay.
Ready?
Una me está ayudando. Okay.
Ready, set, go. Tu bucket se cayó. Pon el bucket del otro lado, Daniela, es más fácil. 15.
Oh no!
10. 5. Done.
Probably, yeah. How are you so
See?
good at this?
Junior, help me.
Porque está the left. So she's picking up from the left and then put it in the bucket. So you have to put your bucket in the middle and then kind of go this way, right?
2?
So count.
She 11.
3?
Dale, cuenta a la misma vez.
Okay.
Cuenta.
2, 3, 4, 5,
1, 2, 3, 4.
7,
5, 6,
9, 10,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20.
24, 25, 26,
25.
25 and
I
25.
think.
Okay. So we're going for the last round. O quieren hacer el second otra vez. Ready, set, go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. See?
Junior to help me. Can Junior help me now?
Dale, cuenten.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
I don't know anymore.
Yeah,
Papa, can
and
you
you
count
still
in
have,
your head?
37,
and you still have more in there.
39,
Show me your bucket, Daniela.
40,
Yes.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51,
Papa definitely has more though.
Okay, so put your cutting outside, your bucket in the middle.
57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62.
Okay. One more round.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 more rounds.
Stop. Pero mami, ya tiene Mateo.
Se mezclaron las bolsas. Go,
Go. Go.
go. Dale, go. Go, put it in the bucket.
Look at this. Poof. 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 Dale. Corre. Rápido. Dale.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Yay.
Junior, how do you have more?
How?
Wait, can we just grab it with our hands?
Yeah.
So, at least I have one
So you
more
guys
round.
did it. You guys did it.
Okay, time to count, okay? So go.
¿Cuánto tenemos?
37.
Tenemos como 65, algo así.
Okay.
Junior, no yo.
¿Les gustó el challenge?
Sí.
Ya, está divertido.
But can we have another round, like a
Yeah.
bonus round?
Okay. You wanna do another round?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys ready?
Where's my?
Mami,
Ready?
están todos en el piso.
I don't need that thing anymore.
No? Okay. Ready, set, go.
Go, 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 go.
Go. Go.
Go, Junior.
Go, Junior. Go.
Junior. Go. Váyate y ponlo aquí.
Ah.
Junior, go. Junior.
Mommy, I don't feel it.
Está aquí.
I don't feel it. Oh.
Done.
What happened?
Yay. Ahora viene
happened?
el present time.
What happened?
birthday.
Do you know what Tata did?
Yes, I know.
Did
Oh
Tata
my God.
So I'm gonna show you in the video later. What happened?
swear if he did something. I'm going to lose.
Oh goodness.
What did you do?
Can I see? Can I see one of the papers? Yay! Find surprises. Show me, Daniela.
I'm not done yet.
No, show me the outside.
Junior, help.
Pet rescue.
Help, Junior.
Oh wait, what?
What?
It didn't help. No, it didn't help. Mama, mommy.
Mama. Mama, help Mama.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Yay.
thing. Huh? Let me open.
Okay.
Or is there like...
Another zipper. Ah, so cute. Yeah, so cute. Oh, so cute. What happened?
I'm sure pressing it down.
Yes, chocolate here.
I don't see any colors in it.
See?
I really want Bin Bin or
Go.
Golden
¿Cuál te salió, nena?
Bojo.
¿Cuál es?
Who's Bojo?
Bowie, el primero.
El primero.
Okay, so I got Bin Bin. I got Bin Bin. It's so cute. Bin Bin is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what's inside here first.
So cute. Nice.
We have like a collar
Mm-hmm.
to stop them from itching their boo boo.
Yeah.
And then there is a syringe. Look,
So cute. With medicine?
look.
Mm-hmm.
Actually goes away.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not surprised, but I thought you would be surprised.
Yes, I am surprised.
Wait,
Okay.
there's also stickers.
Oh, so cute.
Oh no.
What's okay? What's okay? What's okay? Okay. Okay. Oh no.
I don't know where to put this.
Mommy.
What about-
Mommy. Is in
I'm so like.
here. Here.
A bandage.
Oh, yeah. Hey.
¿Y tus stickers?
Y mis stickers, eso mismo estoy buscando yo. ¿Dónde quedan?
Aquí están.
Hey. What?
Junior.
Oh, baby.
Okay.
Oh.
Did you guys like the challenge?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, ahora vamos a retar al canal.
La familia
Bye,
3,
guys.
5, 7.
¿Sí?
Guys. Bye, guys.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Remember to...
Bye, guys.
Like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell below. Thanks for watching. Bye. Looks like it.
Doctor.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Why do you do that?
Yes. Ready?
2.
1. Yay!
They're so fluffy.
Me acuerdo los snowball. ¿Eh? Snowball fight.
Porque esto no es frío ni...
Ni es frío ni duele.